Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopify pending payment. So, if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue with your Shopify or with payments pending on your Shopify store? Well, in this case, there are a few things you need to remember first. So first things first is whenever you're using any kind of payment method, sometimes on your shop, typically the payment might come in a few hours later, especially for those using PayPal. So in this case, there is a whole verification and a whole processing behind it. So sometimes it might get delayed. Now, so in this case, the first thing you need to do is you first need to verify that you set up your payments properly on your store. So let's go and click on settings at the bottom left, and you want to go to the payment section. In this case, make sure everything is correct here, every detail is up to date, and also if you're using Shopify payments, make sure you've completed all the required documents that they need from you to actually activate your account. Which in this case, some verification, some IDs, and some information regarding yourself. Now, in this case, if you're still having some issues on your payment methods here, it is suggested that you reach out to the actual vendor. So, in this case, if you're using a different kind of payment here or a different kind of payment method, it is suggested that you reach out to the actual support team of that specific payment provider and reach out and tell them, hey, this specific payment is still pending. I want to have some updates on it. But yeah, also for people, especially for people, they have, or some of the payments they have here would sometimes get delayed. So typically it will actually resolve itself after a few hours or even a few days. But yeah, so in this case, once you've contacted all the necessary providers here, so PayPal or even the payment provider that you've used for your store, and they say that there's no problem on their side, then you might need to actually reach out to Shopify support. So to do that, you need to go to My Store at the top right here, and you want to choose the option for Help Center. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the chat button here. So in this case, at the right, the first thing you'll notice, it's going to open up the bot here. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to ask the bot that you need to talk to a Shopify support representative regarding an issue that you're encountering, and they will actually redirect you to a support representative. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.